In this video, I'm gonna tell that is hosting a good for WordPress or not. But before I say on that is hosting a good for WordPress or not, let me tell you that if you click on the link in the description, which is like this, if you click on that link, you will be entitled to a special discount of 75% of hosting if you buy hosting from Hostinger, and especially if you claim the deal like this, and then you are gonna get an additional discount through a specific code which I'm gonna tell you in this video. So let's say if you select this plan, what you have to do is you have to select a coupon code over here and write Adi Raza Marketing, and through this you can get further discount on an already discounted deal. So it's a win-win situation. So now let's come back to the question on is Hostinger good for WordPress or not. So for that, I like to share my own personal experience, and to share my personal experience, let me log into my personal account. So here I am in the login of like control panel of my personal hosting account with Hostinger. Okay, so because my own blog, which is my main blog, it is being hosted on Hostinger. In case if you don't know that, I am using Hostinger as a primary solution for my website, and to the best of it is that my website is based on WordPress. You can see my recent articles over here. So if you see that, one of the thing I like about Hostinger is that their panel is always monitoring my speed. So you can see that my speed is blazing fast, 1.7 seconds, and they are always monitoring my website for any viruses, which is one of the additional feature. If in case if you host your WordPress website on Hostinger, and then they have a dedicated portal or panel or tab for WordPress, you can see over there, like you can see all of the WordPress is being installed on your website. You can see the CPU resources WordPress is taking. They also provide a light speed plugin complementary for WordPress requirement, and it can enhance your existing speed on the website if you use their plugin, which comes free of cost. They also monitor your WordPress website for all the updates, and they regularly update. They also provide you with the SSL certificate. You also get daily backups, and they also monitor your WordPress version, and you can install another WordPress with just a click of a button. You can write the title over here, username, password, and the directory we like to install, and like it's just a button of a click that you can install another WordPress through it. You can also see staging, you can also monitor your security, you can also look on the themes. So this is what I like further about Hostinger is that they constantly monitor my security as well, and they constantly monitor my plugins I use for any safety concerns. This is what I like more about Hostinger is that it is WordPress optimized and focused website, because they have many tools available to help you in running up your website on WordPress at a blazing fast speed. So which is why I've been using it, personally saying it, which is why I recommend you to use Hostinger in case if you have a website which you like to work with WordPress. So use a special link in the description to get an additional discount. First you are going to get two discounts. First you are going to get an additional basic discount deal in case if you click the link in the description, and then if you write my coupon code, which is Ali Raza Marketing, and then you are going to get an additional further discount. So like two discounts bundles in the same deal. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.